Let us go there. Some people are fishing over there.
Today's ride feels extra special. It's my comeback ride after fighting off a fever. You know how it goes when the season shifts. Everyone seems to catch something, and unfortunately, I wasn't spared. But honestly, after a tough few days, there is no better feeling than finally being back on the bike. And guess what? I even got some company today. Some young riders have joined me for the journey. It's great to be back. Let's get into it.
I'm on my bike today for a ride in my locality, which is in Chennai, and I hope it will be a beautiful ride.
Can you hear that? My voice might sound a little different. I'm actually just shaking off a lingering cold. A friend from the office gave me some advice that really stuck with me. Don't let rest become a trap. He insisted that getting back into your routine helps you bounce back faster than staying in the bed ever could. He showed that a good workout boosts your immunity and speeds up the recovery. So even though I'm not quite at 100% yet, here I am back on the bike. Sometimes the best medicine is just getting back out there. See this massive banyan tree? I absolutely love it. It provides amazing shade all year round, covering a huge area. Every time I ride past, I just have to stop for a minute to cool down and take in its beauty. Isn't it incredible how nature just gives us this perfect spot to pause and recharge? You know what makes a bike ride truly complete? It's that perfect mix of smooth paved roads and a bit of rugged gravel. And if you happen to find a single track, oh, that's gold standard. Here in Chennai, finding that kind of terrain is usually a real challenge since most of the city is paved. But I didn't give up. I went on a bit of a hunt for the perfect path. And guess what? I found a hidden gem right near my house. I'm heading there right now, and I can't wait to show you.
No. So you have to be careful always.
You know that feeling when you find a spot that's completely car free? There is a kind of rare magic in having no cars, no gridlock, and no chaos. Just the open path, the fresh air, and the quiet. Escaping the city noise is the ultimate reset. With every pedal stroke, the mental noise fades away and the stress just melts. Honestly, it's more than just a ride, it's instant therapy that's bring me a profound sense of peace of mind every single time. That's the beauty of riding a bike. It's pure freedom. You can stop whenever and wherever you want to take in the scenery, watch the birds, or just enjoy whatever makes you curious and happy. And honestly, hitting a gravel path like this just make the whole experience even better.
See the palm trees. It is one of the attraction in Tamil Nadu. So from where the palm jaggery and everything is made. Oh. Let us go there. Some people are fishing over there. Oh. Actually, they are fishing in this drainage instead of fishing that big lake. So it's not bad water. Water is looking murky, but it's not sewage water anymore. Why I chose to ride this area? It's generally it's not that much busy. This road will be free always, so that's why I chose this road. You can ride peacefully. But one thing I want to tell you, the roads are not at all good. But I hope it will be renewed soon, because there are so many constructions are going on. They try to do something. I got some young kids, so I'll be riding with them for some time. Their friend is also joining with us. So where are we going?
We are going to play now.
In the ground. So there is a park where you are going, or some other place?
No, we are going that park.
Yeah. So
We are going near that.
Near that, no? So we'll ride till that park. Okay. Go. So chai dose I'll give you once we reach there. There is no Instagram so far. Only YouTube channel is there.
We are going to call one of the Canondale.
Okay, you please call. You have to cross, right? Yeah. There is no vehicles are there around, right? Where is your ground? No, one front is there, right? There is a park, okay. So I just gone there just before a few minutes. Yeah. So in which standard you guys are studying? 6th standard, okay. Yeah, my son is also studying 6th standard. How do you go? What is it? This one, right? Oh, this one, okay. Oh, yeah, super. So let's go. Yeah, so we have to lift our vehicle. So there is another entrance actually. That side. Yeah. This is the park you are telling of, correct? Volleyball. Where you will play cricket?
We will play in our school ground.
In your school ground. Okay, right now where you will play?
Right now we will play
Here. There, okay.
sometimes here. But mostly we won't play shuttle.
Oh, super. Only 3 members are there.
No. Oh, they coming like
Yeah, it's very slow.
Just a quick note on the video quality. Currently filming on a Gopro and editing everything right on my Realme phone. It's a bit of workaround since my phone has to compress the footage to handle it. But I am doing my best with what I have. My goal is to upgrade to better gear as the channel grows. In the meantime, I would love for you to stick with me if you are enjoying the ride. Please hit that subscribe button and leave a comment. Your support really keep me motivated to keep improving.
I'll do rest a little bit in this park and I'll go back to my home. Now today's ride is over and I feel tired actually.